feeling. Well, we do have to enjoy the feeling, learn how to manage the balance. Because if we don't, we're opening the door for the enemy that we do not want to hold. We know we can learn to manage our emotions, or we can let them manage us. Proverbs 25:28 says, "Kids that don't rule over don't serve, like a city that's broken down and without walls." That means that city is open to all kinds of attacks. It's amazing how much better our lives are when we learn how to not be led by our emotions.
What do you want?
Feelings, hard back to 261 pages.